Right, good morning. Look at this. Mini Merlo, or E-worker I should say, on the stock box. Plan is John is going to back underneath it. We've got a lot of cattle jobs on today. And the Manitou is not on our farm, it's on another one. It's actually clearing dung out of the science farm at the moment. Now the Merlo will just about reach this. It's a 2.5 ton to 5 metre lift. I don't know what the box weighs, but if we boom out, it starts bleeping at us. So we're going to try and get John to back in underneath. That is the current plan.
Have you got any more up?
I think so.
Lovely.
Here he comes. Ah, the debris.
Well,
It's no good.
it won't make any difference at all, but or it might make all the difference in the world.
Exactly. As if you come back right under,
yeah.
As I put him down,
yeah.
He'll go forward that way a bit anyway.
Yeah. Well, once he's on there, you can sort of.
We can manoeuvre him about a bit.
Yeah.
So yeah, the E-worker's still here. I don't know how long it's here for, but it's proving very handy. It's on there. We just got to square it up a bit. So John's going to pull forward. I'm going to follow in behind. Like so. That's there, isn't it? But yes, today's plan is we're going to go over to Rowden, the other farm. We want to bring a load of the cattle over there back, put in the shed to finish them, fatten them. We got 2 groups of cows here at home to get in to pick some out that are going fat tomorrow morning, and then there's 5 cattle over Rowden that are also going fat tomorrow morning. But just want to get everything in one place so tomorrow morning John can load up here, go to Rowden, load up there, and then straight on to the abattoir. We usually run that box on either the Fergie loader tractor or my tractor because they're both 50k. Get everywhere a little bit quicker. Oh, he slotted it right on.
There's even a tiny
There's even slag. Oh, that is. They won't all be like that. Oh no, he is. I tell you. Can't learn that. What do they call it? Is it a Chinese chop or something?
What?
The equivalent of a Chinese or a French cut in cricket, where you hit the ball between your legs and like misses your stumps.
Oh, I see.
So like you can't learn how to do it.
It's a French cut.
I think it's a French cut or something.
French big on playing cricket?
I don't think so. Anyway, there's 3 bolts either side that hold it on. You have to obviously tighten them up, but
Nah, they'll be fine on that.
but by the time you've got 10 bullocks in there, you weigh it down anyway. Yeah, we'll go and tighten them up at the workshop. The lights and brakes are plugged in. It's all good. Let's convoy this to the workshop. This thing doesn't like bumps. Of course, it's torque to spec.
Yep.
FT. FT. That stands for flipping tight. Off you go, boys and girls. We've picked out the 3 we want. They're over there on the ramp at the moment. They'll probably go in there overnight. We've got 1 animal to pick out the other group, which is the greens. The permanent pasture group. These are the high clover guys. So I think that leaves us with 18 in this group. A lot of them are nearly at weight, so another month. If we get another month outside at good grass, we've got the grass in front of them, we just need the weather. Another month's time, hopefully. They'll be gone, most of them. We don't really want to house them for a second time. Of course, we've got 2 of the bulls in here, so they've all come over to say hello whilst running them back. Oh my word! That looked non-consensual. Come on! Yes, cows, well done. We're past the bulls. They've hit a wet spot and they don't know what to do. Oh, you 2 have caught up, have you? Go up! No! No chatting over the fence. Hop, 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 hop. Right, the sun's come out. I'm currently in the Polaris buggy. We managed to pick out 1 animal off of our techno plot, which we needed, that is going with some of the ones in the shed. And Suzanne and Craig have run it along this lane, out onto the road. Hopefully John is at the other end to guide it in the shed. There's about 20 people here doing stuff to the shed building. It's all go. John with a box. Back in the shed there. You know, there's the shed going up. They've got their cherry picker stuck, so we've got to bring them over a chain. Phil's turned up for dung as well at the same time.
They get past me, they can't get out, can they?
The loading of the cattle at Rowden did not go particularly smoothly, it's fair to say. John and Mel are just down there. We're going to go and try and get one more cow we need out of another group to make up the load. Mel's going to help us turn it in. I don't know if you can hear the wind. It's got proper windy. Once we've got that last one in, we just need to weigh them because they need a off-platform weight. They'll get weighed in the morning again, needing an off-farm weight. And then I can feed some calves because it'll be the end of the day. Taxi. I'm knackered. I managed to get it out. Hey, steady. Oh, well, I have to cut that out now. Hey! Hi. Marvellous job done, Mel. I tell you what, he can run. Through the North Wyke slalom. Up what is known as the overtaking straight. Before we get into a tricky downhill section. What do they say on rallying? Look, over crest. We've got a 4 left coming up.
They don't say that. They, hey? What do you say?
Oh, we're in a tree. He's seen the gate. He's slightly flagging. He said, I've run a mile. Oh, sakes. Sensational, John. Here are some that we brought back from Rowden. They were an absolute disaster to load. Whew. That one there, he's nearly 700 kilos. All happy?
Think so.
All weighed in the shed, the chap. 448 and 396. Just to end today's video, I have a bit of a story to tell you about calf feeding at the weekend. It's funny now, it wasn't funny at the time. Anyway, I put these 20 calves in here feeding, they're the oldest group we got. And then I put the second 20 in here feeding. Now Abby was with me at the weekend, and halfway through their feed she goes, oh, there's only 19 calves in this pen, there's one missing. I said, no, that can't be right. I said, they've got to be 20, where is the other one? And we counted them again and there was only 19. Spent about 10 minutes out there looking. I went in the shed next door, I went round the back of all these fields, I looked all around the yard, I went down to the sheep shed, looking everywhere for this missing calf. Couldn't find it, so I said to Abby, I'm going to go back and wash up the feeders and stuff, and then we can have a proper look once we're done feeding the rest of them. Come back up to this pen, I pull out the teat feeder drum that we have, which is these big grey ones here. Underneath the drum, in this void, because this is upside down in a minute, so up the other way, was the missing calf. I'd managed to put the feeder on top of a calf, and it just lied down in there and decided it wasn't going to make a fuss. Now this is the little guy that got stuck under there, so we had to go and feed you some more milk on an individual feeder, didn't we, mate? Because you got stuck. Yes, you did. So Abby has befriended this one now. He's called Buster, apparently. So that's Abby's calf, Buster. We got 2 other pet calves. I can't see the other one in here. He must be lied down or facing the wrong way. Oh, there he is. He's the one between the drinkers at the back, eating the straw. He's got an all-white face with a patch over his eye. So he's called Patches O'Hula Calf, named after Patches O'Houlihan off of Dodgeball.
If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball. What?
Look at him having some fun. Oh. And then, of course, in this pen, we've got Monty. Now, where is Monty? Here he is. Here's Monty the calf, because he's out of a Montbéliard cow. He's nice and quiet, he's quite tame. You want to say hello? Yes, it's good, isn't it? You eating some nuts? Yes, okay. Hello, Monty. Hey? You like a chin scratch, don't you? Good chin scratch. Oh, is that good? Just that. Oh, yeah, that's a spot. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yeah, so those are our 3 pet calves. We're going to end up having more pet calves because we can have 120 or so in here by the time we're full up. I'm actually going to pick 20 more up tomorrow. So we'll have 69 in the shed in total. Giggity. Be another 20 in there tomorrow afternoon for me to feed. And I'm also going to get some more from this farm on Wednesday. So yeah, we'll be filling up. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying the calf content. It's been so wet here the last few days. We've not been doing much machinery work. I need to go and pick up some more bales because I'm running out of straw bales here at home. They're at the other farm at the moment. So that'll be something that will feature soon. But yeah, thank you very much for watching along. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's completely free, helps me loads, doesn't cost you guys a penny. Keeps you up to date with all the stuff we got here going on. Loads of links down in the description, go and check those out. It might be something there you want to follow. And we'll see you on another video very soon. Cheerio.